Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to enable the new dust effect deletion feature on Telegram Web using your PC. This small visual upgrade adds a satisfying animation when you delete messages, making the whole experience feel smoother and more modern. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main screen and can see your chats, look toward the top left corner. You'll notice a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the main navigation panel. This is where Telegram keeps most of its important options. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Now, inside Settings, find and select Animations and Performance. This section controls visual effects and how smooth everything feels while you're using Telegram. Once you're there, look for a section labeled Interface Animations. Under this category, you'll find different animation options that you can toggle on or off. Find the option called Dust Effect Deletion. When you enable this feature, deleted messages will disappear with a subtle dust-like animation instead of just vanishing instantly.